OJ.
Second down and 9. Kingman sits out of play, and underneath it's Taylor. And Chester Taylor has a first down in midfield. Blitz coming from the Packers. The pass is complete. That's Wade. And Wade is forced out after a gain of 8 by Woodson. Here is Peterson doing his thing with a first down at the 32.
Just don't worry about it, man.
10th play of the drive. Trying to bite off some more yardage at the least to help Longwell with a field goal try. Still no pressure on Farad. The pass broken up.
Yeah, I agree, man. That's why you need to go to the hospital.
Chester Taylor. And it would be a 54-yard field goal try from here, and they're going to attempt it. Good snap, good hold. Longwell, the former Packer. He hits him again.